Perched on a gentle rise above a shimmering blue lake, this grand Italian villa commands the landscape like a timeless painting brought to life. Its pale yellow walls glow softly in the diffused daylight, kissed by the warmth of the Mediterranean sun and the quiet elegance of age. The color is delicate yet full of soul, offering a gentle contrast to the deep terracotta tile roof above, whose warm, earthy tones add a sense of history and sturdiness to the villa's serene presence. Along the villa's length stretch graceful arched loggias, each one inviting you to step into shade, into softness, into views that could take your breath away. Ivy and flowering vines weave through the arches like nature's embroidery, wild yet elegant. Cascading pink and blue hydrangeas spill from stone planters and urns, their blooms lush and heavy, framing every archway and corner with a painter's palette of color and texture. From the villa's terraces and balconies, the view opens wide to a serene blue lake that lies below like a sapphire caught in a cradle of earth. The water is still and luminous, reflecting both the sky above and the towering, majestic mountains that rise on the opposite shore. Their silhouettes are softened by the veil of a partly cloudy sky, with sunlight breaking through in dramatic patches, spotlighting sections of water and hillside as if nature itself were putting on a quiet show. The entire setting exudes harmony between architecture and earth, design and wildness, history and the eternal. Every corner of the villa feels like an invitation to slow down, breathe deeper, and take in the beauty that surrounds it. It is not just a home, but a living moment in time, poised between lake and mountain, sky and stone, elegance and nature.